That's the young birds coming off the dark. I do it in the mornings. So weaning it back now, so it's 10 o'clock now. And another few more days and they'll be off the dark completely. All the blinds are automatic, set on timers. So it's one less job that you've got to worry about. Young birds are still on deep litter. When they come off the darkness and finish their molt, they'll come off the deep litter and be scrape floors. First thing to look at every morning is the drop-ins. Drop-ins are looking good in there. And drop-ins are looking good in there.